Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have not uploaded a YouTube video in so long. It's been like forever. And I had this video recorded on my camera roll for so long. I just never got around to editing it. But I want to get back into uploading nail content for you guys. So here I am. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this really pretty Hello Kitty nail set. And I did get the inspo pic off Pinterest. So I'm going to go ahead and upload the picture here of the inspiration set. And yeah, so to do this set, I am using this Rosalind gel polish color. I went ahead and showed you guys the number of the color in the very beginning, but I'm going to go ahead and be applying 2 layers of this color over all the nails. Now I'm going to be taking some of my little mixing papers. These come such in handy, you guys. And in case you guys are wondering, I do get them off of Shein. And I'm also going to be taking some of my white gel polish. This is iGel Beauty's white gel polish, but I bought the big like refill bottle and I just went ahead and put it in the Rosalind gel polish bottle. But yeah, this is definitely iGel Beauty's gel polish, and it's one of my favorite white gel polishes. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna be doing a French tip like the inspo pic on the thumbnails, and it just looks so pretty with that glittery nude base. And I am going to be cleaning up my French tip nails, and to do this I just took a flat gel polish brush and some acetone, and I'm just cleaning up that French tip. On this day I did drink iced coffee that morning, so my hand was a little shaky and it made drawing on French tips so difficult. So that acetone definitely came in handy. Now I'm going to be creating a rhinestone French tip nail, and to do this I'm just taking a really glittery gel polish color and I'm going to be creating the little like French tip line, and I'm going to fill that in, and then we're going to fill it in with the fun part, which are rhinestones, and I'm going to be using these little pink flowers. And yeah. So to apply my rhinestones, I am going to be using this Model 1's gel, and the reason why I love it so much is because it's a no wipe, so it's perfect for doing this type of design. then for the rest of my rhinestone application, I did go ahead and use my Macart rhinestone gel, and I have no idea what happened to that footage of me applying the other, like the rest of the rhinestones. But yeah, I'm sorry about that, you guys. I don't know where that footage, I think I forgot to press record. But now for the ring fingernail, I am going to be doing like this croc print design, and I am using iGel Beauty's blooming gel, and this just makes it so easy to create this design. And here, as you guys can see, I'm taking a good amount of my Macart rhinestone glue gel, and I'm going to be applying my little Hello Kitty nail charm right there. And look at how cute this set looks. Oh my god, you guys, I am so in love with it. And to top everything off, I'm using my favorite gel top coat, which is from Koopa. This is a no wipe gel top coat, and I'm applying a good amount of that over all the nails. And I do like to put this over my little flowers also, just so those flowers don't get like caught in your hair and stuff. I hate when that happens, so I do cover this with some top coat. This is how your finished nail set should look. All you guys have to do is file the tops, and this should be the final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next videos. I do have some hauls coming, so stay tuned for that. Bye guys.